Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 113 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we are continuing with our arpeggiations with exercises 165 and 166.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So, these exercises continue with our idea of arpeggiating that major chord and then coming down on the diminished chord. Okay, so we have this bass here, ba-da-da-da-da-da. Then we've got the diminished chord, da-da-da-da-da-da, right? So that's kind of the way that we're going to be playing with this. Now, exercise 166 adds in a little bit of a funky note. So just be aware as we get to 166 that we're thrown an A in the mix as we come down. We're not just doing from the B to the G. We're coming, right? Okay. So that's something interesting to play around with. Now, as you do these arpeggiations, I want you to find the legato. Even though we're skipping around, you're going to find that bass legato. So it's not but that's going to really help you if you can feel that flow. And here is exercise 165. Next one, maybe a little faster. Next one, maybe even a little bit faster. Just be careful that when you go faster, that you're not playing piano in your throat. Okay, so that's something very important to look out for as you're doing these exercises. So, exercise 166, I want you to pay close attention because on the descending diminished scale, we have not the G. Okay? That's something, let's just practice that. Let's just sit here and go let's do it another time. That is going to get very tricky. Okay? So I'm going to take this exercise kind of on the slow side so that we make sure that we're really singing that note accurately. And here is exercise 166. Let's do the next one. Let's give it a try. Going to that scale degree after that thrown in note into the diminished scale, that's really, really tricky. So take your time with that one and then build up speed once you really feel confident on the tonality. I still don't feel confident yet, so I'm not taking it faster.